So a while back I put these UltimateAddons heated grips on, which just clip over the handlebars. They do a good job. They're not overly hot. They take about 20 minutes to warm up fully. They're quite a nifty solution for about £70, I think. No slipping. Take them on and off quite quickly. I felt the difference today through my winter gloves. Yesterday with the shotgun my hands were absolutely frozen. Could barely feel my fingers, but today no problems whatsoever. Just plug into the USB down the side here. I run an extension cable up and they do a good job. I had to get a different USB cable because the one I had didn't really work. I upgraded to a USB 3 one and that seems to have made a difference. You can obviously plug them into a power bank, which is what they suggest, but the one I have doesn't really fit in the middle there. And I think why not just use the USB on board. Yeah, there's a few things that could change. They could be a bit wider, a bit more length, but I'm overall quite happy. I mean, I'm not saying they're the perfect solution for everyone. If you've got a few bikes and want to just have one pair, or don't want to ruin the look of your bike and take them off, but overall they do adequately. Nothing compared to permanent grips, but they are, I'm very happy with them for what they cost and the effort they take to install and uninstall. So yeah.